It is Wednesday.
Morning.
And we are headed to Magic Kingdom.
Yeah.
So it's about 8:20, 8:30.
8:30.
8:30. So we got a little bit of a late start, but we have a dining reservation for...
Words are hard.
Yes, words are hard this morning. We have a dining reservation for Crystal Palace, so we are gonna do that.
Yeah.
I'm super excited. So we have that like right away. So we're not even gonna like go in and ride any rides to begin with.
I
so
try to rope drop because like maybe we could get on a ride or two, but you know.
But then we'd be like so rushed. We're not gonna rope drop anything because our reservation is at 9:30, so we don't want to really be rushed. We're really tired. We didn't end up going to sleep till closer to 2 last night, so yeah, we got like 5 hours of sleep.
Yeah.
Woohoo.
Running on fumes here.
Yeah, seriously. So I'm excited for coffee.
Yes.
And yeah, so
excited to see Pooh and the gang.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we both ate there a lot as a kid, and I haven't eaten there since I was a kid, probably like 9.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm really excited to eat there again. It'll be really exciting.
Yeah, it's gonna be cool. I'm excited. Hopefully the bus line isn't horrible.
Yeah, it will be.
Hey Castle. Long time no see. Hey Yor. How's it going? So how are you liking it so far?
This is the greatest. We haven't really eaten yet. I got half a plate and then Pooh is right there. So I saw him and ran back. We're going one at a time to not miss any of the characters because they're just bam, bam, bam.
Yeah, they're moving really fast.
And right when we sat down, Pig came and then Eeyore 2 seconds later and now Pooh's right there. So great, Tigger's gonna walk around the corner before we even get a chance to eat. So
They said it would take 90 minutes and it's been
it's
6.
10. We haven't even gotten our food yet. So.
We got coffee and orange juice, and those were brought to us.
And like I said, I ran up and got half a plate, and then had to run back. Who's almost here, so I didn't even make it to the hot food.
Hello, Pooh.
All right, so I got Pooh's puffed French toast,
And I got the salmon, the smoked salmon, lots of stuff. And I got bagels to put that on. And then I also got some scrambled eggs and some stuff to mix in with that, just pico and onions it looks like, and then cheesy potatoes and a biscuit, and then breakfast pizza. Yum.
All right, so I got Mickey waffles, of course, some biscuits and gravy they had that looked really good, bacon, sausage, breakfast potatoes, and a steak and egg omelet, which was a big dish that you could get. It looks really, really good, so I'm also just about to go in, no waiting.
Hi, Tigger.
Hi, Tigger.
How are you? I'm so happy to see you. Hey, babe. So what are we doing now?
Going to Splash Mountain.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
Yeah, we used our Pirates Fast Pass, and then we just kind of walked around and rode some things with short waits. And Splash Mountain is only a 35-minute wait, which may be long to some, but not really to us. So we're waiting.
Also, we haven't talked about how good Crystal Palace was.
Yeah, we haven't. It was so good.
Yeah.
I was so happy. I haven't eaten there since I was younger, so.
Yeah. Crystal Palace was excellent. Again,
Yeah.
always.
Yeah.
In my opinion, it's the best place to go for breakfast. Like, if you want to leisurely start to your day,
Yes.
book a time there and just hang out. It's got a great view of the castle and the courtyard. Like,
Yes, and it's like in a park, so it makes it convenient to like eat and then tackle the rest of your day.
yeah,
too.
it's great.
So-
Like, it's my favorite. My favorite.
Yeah. And the characters are, of course, adorable. So, Winnie the Pooh characters are the best.
Yeah. And that's the ride. It's gonna be fine. Uh-oh. Oh no! Ah! Ah! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I got Well, I'm nice and cool now, that's for sure.
Me too! Wow, I'm like
I got dread.
my favorite room.
I know.